Previously on Color Culture.
Them joints is crazy, right? I was a little curious about that yellow lace. It looks a little wacky. Let's see if I can light them up. Do not try this at home. That's all. That's all. I'm done. Peace. Make the right decision. Don't get played.
Yo, peace and love, guys. Thanks for coming back. We got another video today. This is a short one. It is the Nike SB Atmos collaboration. I thought the color was dope. You know, SBs are kind of the thing right now, so I figured nothing could really go wrong with a pair of SBs, right? And as you know, I don't condone the resale of manufactured or UA goods, so let's just move on here. We got a non-special box. I don't think there is a special box. These shoes do have a nubuckish type of suede on them. I'm not really sure. Plain white leather that looks good. Atmos is a Japanese streetwear brand. They actually teamed up with Nike on several other shoes, including some Air Maxes. So I figured I'd get a pair early and see how the quality was looking. And I like them. Like, I love the seafoam teal colorish that they have on them. This looks like elephant print, but it's definitely not the same elephant print that you would see on a Jordan 3 or something like that. I know Atmos, they do more of like the animal collabs. So this might even be a different type. This might not even be elephant print at all. I don't know. But it looks dope. I like it. They fit well. They put Civilist insoles in there, I know. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with that. I mean, it doesn't even like, who did that? Like, whose job was that to make that right? Nevertheless, it doesn't affect the quality of the shoe. It's just a strange mix-up, in my opinion. I mean, how did you pick up where the Civilist insoles just laying around? I don't know. I mean, doesn't really matter. So let's just go ahead and jump into the black light and see if it picks up anything. So to be honest, guys, I'm not going to spend much time here because I didn't find anything on the shoe. Like, no stamps, no stitching flaws. There's nothing. Like, everything checks out. So, I mean, it is what it is.
Never use these things. My mic on? Is my mic on? Yo, peace and love, guys. As you can see, I'm in the office. So what we're gonna do is just talk a little bit about the shoe. I don't know if I'm gonna do it on feet or not. I'm just gonna kind of do some talking head stuff like the rest of the shoe tubers do. So no epic adventure this time, like these video clips that you're looking at now. But let's just go ahead and jump into the shoe. What do we have? We have this. Right? You know, it's kind of one of those sneakers that it's hot, but it's not super hyped up. Like, it's made by Atmos. I explained that already in the observatory room, but to me, there's nothing wrong with the shoe except the fact that they put those insoles in there. And I think what it is because it's the Civilist insole. I wouldn't be that, like, you know, picky about it if it was just like a different insole, but it's the Civilist. And that face, I feel like it's laughing at me. Was this a joke, guys? Did this gifter play a joke on me with this sneaker? I don't know. But it's just the insole. So does the wrong insole to a shoe make or break the shoe? Does it? Doesn't hurt the quality of the shoe, but it's the wrong insole. Like, how would you feel about that? Is that even QC? Isn't that part of QCing? Like, check the shoelaces, check, insoles are there. I've gotten off-whites. When I got my Prestos, they didn't have the neon green laces, and I felt the way about that. So does mixing up the parts, does it really have an effect on the sneaker? If you look at it, the leather looks amazing. I mean, just looking at it, the leather looks good. This isn't the same type of print that they use on the Jordan 3. It's almost on some like safari type material. It looks good. Like, I probably won't go for another pair of these simply because I have this pair, and I also think it looks better with the white lace in it. What do you guys think? With the white lace, or wait, this one off too, or this one? Black laces, white laces. You guys be the judge. Don't try this at home. Trust me. Get a cappuccino or something. I mean, tell me your thoughts. The shoe coming with mixed up insoles, does that really make a difference? Does it hurt the quality? You saw in the black light, there were no issue, there were no pin marks. They cleaned them up really well. I'm still gonna wear them and not really care about it. Now I have to go Google and figure out what the insoles look like, you know, but it is what it is. Might do a quick on foot, like a really quick on foot. Shout out to the gifters that got me the sneaker. Hold on. Okay, that actually made no difference, but quality good, QC desirable. So it is what it is, guys. Peace, love, light. I'm out. Ow! I feel so lazy doing these videos indoors. Like, I usually don't sit in the house and just, well, whatever. Peace.